Hi guys! Welcome pa rin sa aming another video. So ngayon is dito na naman kami gagala. So maghanap kami ng Old Town House. So ito yung bahay ni Lola. Here also guys. So the another hotel and this one is for the feet. Pasirton. So dito guys, ito yung night market nila. So night na sa atin, pero sa kanila around 7 or quarter to 8 is still not yet night. So dito may madaming mga makakain, mapapipilian mo kung ano-ano yung mga old taste ng Malaysia, yung mga kampong type na taste guys. So dito may marami kang makukuha or may marami kang matitikman na mga pagkain. So dito guys is papasok kami sa Mommy Monster House, yung gagawa ka ng sarili mong noodles guys, yung ingredients, gagawa ka din doon. At nahirapan kami guys kasi ang dami-daming tao, you know. And then yung upuan namin is ayun, napakakitid lang. And then nahirapan kami sa mga taong tumitingin sa amin. Ayun, ang dami-dami pa naman mga cheche naman layda. And then ayaw namin tingnan kami guys kasi magalitin kami ba. So, sinubukan pa rin namin gawa ng guys. Gawan mo kasi ng kulay. Color-color mo kasi yung noodles cup mo guys. And then, lagyan mo ng mga pangalan. And then, pwede din siya mga motto in life, mga instructions, mga eat veggie, live healthy, layda guys. Natapos din namin guys sa pag-agawa ng mga color pencil, kinacheche, yung mga ati-ati dito guys. Ang daming tao talaga, parang field trip. Oh, be. Ew. Ricky, pasar yun, Ricky. Wala, kagubot lang lagi guys. Ice ko. Ay, balik mo dala ang upuan. Pagi mo, mayong sorong mo. Nice line. Nice line. Toton is doing vandalism. Let him finish first lah. There guys, lalagyan yung recipe ng noodles. Oh, wala na. Gikuha na. Kuris-kurisan. Nagmayong tuton. So here guys is the processing area. So lagyan ng miyong lagyan ng miyong cup. Ari, dura. Then just waiting there in the window with the lampshade. Step 1 guys, nakagubot na. Step 2, nakagubot. Step 3, hasa ng gubutan. Step 4, step 5, step 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 20. Ricky, turn Ricky. Happy turn, may one turn. Turn, happy turn. Give me turn. Sige, turn. Turn. Then here is the ingredients.
Carrot red chili.
You. 4.
Carrot red chili. Masuk rice. 有很好吃。
The one only sweet corn. Sweet corn only. Sweet corn only. Oh.
Some other one lah. You want what?
The other one.
Anyone.
That cabbage.
Oh. Sweet corn, mushroom, and no chili. This. Oh.
Cabbage.
Okay. No more. And then here is the cover the meat, and then wrap it.
This one.
Wrap it, and then go to the conveyor. He go to the conveyor to blow it. Oh, no, may you blow. And then here is the finished product. So nice. And then so that's how to do the noodles of the Mami. Guys, annyeonghaseyo. This one? Oh, let them go out first. Kasi may field trip kasi guys, kaya ganun na lang kaingay at kadaming tao kasi they field trip here in the Cookie Mommy Monster. Oh, siyang thank you. This one is a temple, guys. Nga, na-broken.